everybody, welcome to Kayla x Shonie. I'm Kayla, and in today's video we're going to be continuing on with our apartment transformation videos. So we do have one video in this series so far, and it's of us wrapping our kitchen cabinet. So if you haven't seen that video, stop this video now, click on the link below, and you'll watch that. You'll get details on how we wrapped our kitchen cabinets. We took them from a dark brown color to a black wood grain color using peel and stick that we got off of Amazon. So if you haven't seen that video, watch it, then come back to this video, and then you'll get to see how we finished up our kitchen. In this video, you'll see us putting our kitchen island together. You'll see us putting all of our knickknacks around and see how our kitchen came together in the end. We really love the way it turned out, and we hope you like the way it turned out too. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First thing we'll be doing is hanging up everything that needs to be hung on the walls, which is the clock and the shelves. We will have the name of the stores that we got all of the different items from on the screen. The next step is building this island that we bought from IKEA. Our color scheme for the kitchen is black sage with hints of wood. So this island that's black with the butcher's block countertop went perfect with our kitchen. I was super happy to find it because it's what brought our kitchen all together. Is revamping and building this cabinet that we bought from Amazon. As you can see, the cabinet started off looking like a locker and we hated the way it looked, so we decided to revamp it so that it could fit more with our kitchen. So we started off spray painting these plastic things gold because all of our knobs and accessories in the kitchen will be gold. And this is how it turned out. I feel like it looked way more expensive and it fits so much better with our kitchen. After moving the island and the cabinet into place, we built our kitchen chairs. Shonie built one and I built the other. And now you're going to get to see our final reveal. But first, if you did like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Leave comments in the comments. Let us know that you like this type of content and you would like to see more. And click the notification bell so you can be notified when more uploads come. So, on to the final reveal.